Silver and gold have been moving towards the mainstream for a while now, especially after the pandemic hit in 2020. People have shifted their views on what money is. In today's video, I'm going to give you what I found in my research about silver and gold, especially since silver and gold is now available at Walmart, at Costco, and Amazon. Do you think this will hurt the prices of silver and gold? Why do you think silver and gold are going mainstream? You might be surprised. And yeah, I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of the video. Hello, and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. I hope you're doing well. And as you know, silver and gold are popping up in the strangest places. And I mean silver and gold bullion because jewelry has always been out there. Yes, as I said earlier, you can buy silver and gold at Walmart, at Costco, and at Amazon. And yes, for many, many years, if you haven't been following silver and gold bullion, you know it was only available at pawn shops, jewelry stores, coin dealers, both online or your local coin stores. But now you can buy it in more places than ever before. Now, with that said, be forewarned. According to AARP, you have to be very careful when buying silver and gold from places like Amazon and Walmart and even Costco. Walmart and Amazon are known to sell fake silver or gold, plated gold bars or coins. And they look real, and some even have a certificate of authenticity. That new company, Temu, also sells that too. So make sure that you know what you are buying. Walmart sells silver and gold bullion from APMEX, actually. So you're not really buying it from Walmart. It's a third-party seller. You're buying it from APMEX. And they also have other third-party sellers, and that's why you have to be careful. So as I said, with any other silver and gold sold at Walmart, make sure that you trust and know who it is that's selling it to you, because it may not be Walmart and it may not be APMEX. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that was clear. And Costco says that they sell silver and gold so fast that they can't keep it in stock. Costco says they don't make a profit on the gold that they sell. They're using it to gain memberships because they've realized that people want to buy gold. And interesting fact, you can't sell gold back to Costco like you can to APMEX or online dealers. Now you can return it to Amazon and or Walmart, but you have to look at the return policies when you buy it from there. And as I said, Costco is also now selling silver. Now, if you want to sell your precious metals and you bought it at one of these places, you may have to look for other options like pawn shops. I don't always recommend them. Coin dealers, online platforms that specialize in buying and selling silver bullion, JM Bullion, ST Bullion, all of those. However, before you do that, you should do some research on the current market prices. Look at your spot prices, look at the purity and the weight of the bullion that you're selling, and the reputation and policies of the buyers. Okay, that's always important. You should be aware of the potential taxes, fees, and risks that are involved when selling your bullion. And I say risks, especially if you're trying to do it peer to peer and not selling it to a company, because you never, a lot of things can go bad there. So back to the subject of the video. Why is gold and silver going mainstream? And why is it good or bad? I feel that people are realizing what real money is, and that's a good thing. Yet there are different opinions and factors that may explain why silver and gold bullion are becoming more popular and accessible to the general public. And these are some of the reasons that I found. Silver and gold bullion are seen as a hedge against inflation. We all know that. You hear that 1,000 times. Sometimes people want to diversify their portfolios. That's another reason to do it. They want to protect their wealth, and they can do this with this tangible asset. All right, another reason silver and gold bullion have strong industrial and technical demand, especially silver, in the field of electronics, medicine, and renewable energy. These sectors grow, and as they grow, the need for silver and gold should increase as well. Now, with silver, it's like 50% of the silver sold is industrial, while gold, only about 10% is industrial. Gold is more bought by central banks and investors and jewelry. Now, another reason silver and gold bullion are more affordable and accessible than ever before, thanks to the emergence of online platforms. And yes, you can get them on ETFs, you can get them in IRAs. And so some investors don't want to hold the physical stuff, so that's how they buy their precious metals. And like I said, some retailers such as Costco, Amazon, and Walmart, they've partnered with bullion dealers to offer their customers the option to buy physical metals online. Now, whether this trend is a good thing or a bad thing depends on your perspective and goals. Some of the pros and cons of investing in silver and gold are as follows, and we'll go through the pros first. Tangible assets, they can't be hacked, they can't be erased, they can't be destroyed by fire, water, or time. These metals, they last forever. All right, they are a reliable store of value that you can preserve your purchasing power and hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, especially gold. They can diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk as they tend to perform well when other asset classes such as stocks and bonds are underperforming. All right, the cons, let's go into this. They don't generate cash flow or dividends, and they may have opportunity costs compared to other investments that offer higher returns and interest rates. Now, with that said, if you are a flipper, of coins, and then they definitely can generate cash flow because you're buying and selling and making a profit. All right, they can be volatile and unpredictable. Everyone that's been watching gold and silver, they know this, as their prices are influenced by many factors such as supply and demand, as I mentioned earlier, market sentiment, geopolitical events, wars and all that. And when people are scared, they usually go to metals. All right, and let me see. Another con, they may have additional cost and risks, such as transportation, storage, security, taxes, fees, fraud. There are a lot of fake gold and all kinds of things going on with it, storing it in vaults. I know you've heard where people put them in vaults and then the gold and silver was not there. So, especially if you buy silver and gold metals, make sure that you have these things all planned out before you get them. So, why are they now mainstream? The answer is quite simple. More and more people are realizing what real money is, and it isn't the dollar in your pocket, but it is that American Silver Eagle or that Pamp Swiss gold bar in your safe. And this is the bonus. There is a lot of gold and silver out there. I am saying this so that you understand why gold is so stable. As you saw from the silver squeeze times, you can't push up the price of silver or gold, by purchasing it alone. Silver is more volatile than gold. There are many other factors out there. The World Gold Council, by the way, states that gold is the second most traded financial asset, the first being the S&P 500. It trades more than gold, as you see in this graph, but because it trades so frequently, it is hard to manipulate the price. Pushing it one way causes it to pull in another direction unless something major happens, like something crazy in the world. Now, silver and other commodities, on the other hand, have a more volatile demand profiles because they are used for industrial purposes. Their prices are influenced by supply and demand factors such as production, consumption, inventories, and trade. And you saw during the pandemic, shortages can come not because there isn't enough silver out there, is because the transportation could be hard. They are more sensitive to economic cycles, technological changes, and even environmental issues. And therefore, gold tends to be more stable and less risky than silver or other commodities, while silver and other commodities offer more opportunities and challenges, for us stackers. I do buy way more gold. Probably, you know, I would say what 80% of my stack is gold over silver. But I have the silver there just in case, for that potential I believe silver has. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I do want to thank you for watching Cash and Coins. And as I always say, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.